Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Crafticality, and today I have another journal to show you. It is a cactus succulent themed journal, and it is a one signature just like the other previous journals that I've been making, and it is the size is 6 by 9 approximately, not including the ruffle down below there. It is tied up with some really pretty avocado green fabric. And the cover is made with paper, scrapbook paper. And I sewed on this really cute cut apart here that says all roads lead to the sun. And then it has this really cute cactus print down at the bottom there. On the side, I have a paper clip charm. There are some really cute little clay charms that my daughter actually made for me. Super cute. There's one here along with some little bead dangles. Then attached on the side is another little charm dangle that's on a light bulb safety pin. And it has another clay charm that is a little succulent, and my daughter made that one as well. Super adorable with these beads there. So when you open it up, there's a pocket on the inside. I did stamping there, and then there's a couple little cut aparts and a little die cut of a cactus. Here's a little side pocket. There's a memory decks card. There's a pocket down here with some green fabric that's really super cool. It has some stitching on here that's like a tan color. And this is a vintage student grid paper there. And some crochet lace. Here's a vintage picture of a desert scene. And then here is a vintage book page of some cactus there. And I'll just go through and do super quick flip through. There's lots of tuck spots. I made lots of little tags that have a lot of special touches on them with sewing and stamping. I wanted to show you these two that I just made. I'm going to have a tutorial on how to make them. It's made out of tea bags. So come back on Thursday and I will have the tutorial for both of these. Super cute. These will be included in the books as well. There's a doily with stamping, little tuck there. I really had fun with my vintage laces. Here's a vintage piece of sheet music with the pocket. Another tuck there. Some green paper that I tea dyed. And this really pretty embroidered trim over there. Another tuck. I made a little booklet with some tea dyed paper. Just tucks in right there. More lace. Here I had a embossing folder that I had picked up at Michael's, and then I just used some ink along the top there. This is a whole side pocket there. Here's another tag that I made. It's a cactus image, and then I added some lace and did some sewing, and this is some silk fabric there. A little side tuck. Here's a little pocket. Go ahead and stick that tag in there. This flips out. Another little vintage book there. It's more retro, I think, from the 70s. Here's another tag that I did. Pretty lace on the side there. This is the center. This flips out. Another little side pocket. I'll put that one in there. Here's a paper clip that has some cactus die cuts. Here's another full pocket just with some tea-dyed paper stuck in. Tuck there. Here's a memory decks, and I did another embossed cactus there. Here's another vintage desert scene. Little tuck. This will also come with an additional goodie bag of fun stuff, additional vintage pages and some laces and things like that. So, and here's a cut apart. It's a pretty big one. I was going to cut it down a little bit, but I decided just to leave it, and then whoever purchases this can use it however they want to use it. They could fold it up and then, or they could cut it down a little bit. There's another tuck, and that's the back page there. And then at the bottom there's some seam binding that I sewed that went all the way around from the front. So there you have it. There are 2 of these in my Etsy shop, so go ahead and go on over to my Etsy shop, and I will have all the details listed in the description for that. Also, I do have items in my shop, my older items that are 30% off. That goes on through till July 21st. And I also, if you go over and follow me on Instagram at Creative Crafticality, I have a post that has a 15% off coupon, which can be applied to sale and non-sale items. So go ahead and check that out as well. Come back on Thursday if you want to learn how to make those tea bag tags that are super easy and super cute. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.